What's up guys, and welcome to another quick speed test comparison between the Reno 3 Pro and the Realme 5 Pro. The Reno 3 Pro is a new flagship device from the Oppo which comes with a quad camera setup and dual selfie cam with Super AMOLED display. So let's compare it with the Realme 5 Pro and find out which one is faster and which one you should buy between both of the smartphones, as both of the smartphones comes with 8GB of RAM. So let's start the speed test without wasting any time. So as always, the first test will be a boot up test between both of the smartphones, and here we go. And let's see who will be the winner of the first boot up test. For all those who haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to get the latest smartphones comparison, camera comparison, speed test, unboxing and much more. And let's see, 8GB of RAM versus 8GB of RAM, and logos are moving around. Well, the boot up test formed by the Realme 5 Pro and followed by the Reno 3 Pro. It was about 1 second difference between both of the smartphones while booting up. As you guys can see, everything is completely closed on both of the smartphones, and starting from some basic stuff, the first one is phone dialer. Well, it was slightly faster on the Realme 5 Pro. Settings, it was about the same on both of the smartphones, no difference at all. Now moving on towards some third-party applications, and the first one is Fruit Ninja. None of the tests formed by the Reno 3 Pro till yet, and well, it was also about the same on both of the smartphones. Till now, both of the smartphones' performance is almost the same. Now moving on, Subway Surfers, and both are downloading. Well, it was faster on the Reno 3 Pro, the first application which won by the Reno 3 Pro, PUBG Mobile. So this application is a bit heavier than the rest of the applications, and let's see. Well, it was about 3 seconds faster on the Reno 3 Pro. Good performance. Color switch, again slightly faster on the Reno 3 Pro. Pin out, again faster on the Reno 3 Pro slightly. Temple Run 2, well, again pretty much faster on the Reno 3 Pro. Zedge, pretty much quicker on the Reno 3 Pro once again. Hill Climb 2, again pretty much quicker on the Reno 3 Pro. Smash It, again faster on the Reno 3 Pro once again. Kind Master, again faster on the Reno 3 Pro. YouTube, well, it was slightly faster on the Realme 5 Pro. So guys, it was a speed test comparison between the Reno 3 Pro and the Realme 5 Pro, and as you guys saw here, its starting point, the Realme 5 Pro was slightly faster, but after that every single test won by the Reno 3 Pro. Both of the smartphones have got quad camera setup, but on the front the Reno 3 Pro comes with dual selfie cam, while the Realme 5 Pro comes with a single selfie cam. So if you guys are thinking to buy any of these two smartphones, especially for gaming and for your daily use, the Reno 3 Pro is much better as compared to the Realme 5 Pro. In my next video I will do camera comparison between both of the smartphones, and we will find out there which one of the smartphone camera is better between the Reno 3 Pro and the Realme 5 Pro. Also share your thoughts in the comment section of both of the smartphones, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.